Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tateceo token. Now this token is trending #1 right now on Pink Sale, doing very well. They're in the midst of their pre-sale. There's about 8 hours left of this pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Tateceo token, live for pre-sale right now. There's about 8 hours left of this pre-sale. So they've already well passed their soft cap. They set their soft cap low for this pre-sale at 10 BNB. So far they've had 352 contributors invest in this pre-sale, and they have sold over 175.7 BNB for a very successful pre-sale, and they still have over 8 hours to go. Tate Space CEO is the name of the token. Tateceo, all one word, is the ticker symbol. Now, if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC or your BNB for the Tate token, the Tateceo token, using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, tateceo.com. Now you most likely will have to set slippage, so I do believe there is tax. We'll go over that in a second. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 120 days. Now they do have a full audit, so they were audited by CFG Ninja, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pink Sale. They also have a KYC that you could check out on here, and they also have a Telegram, which is at Tateceo, and they have a Twitter, which is at Tate_CEO, and their official webpage, tateceo.com. So their KYC means that their team was doxed to a company called Solid Proof to verify who they are for security reasons. So it says it's meme season. Huge hype around Andrew, massive exposure coming. Man up and let's moon with Tateceo. Huge reward system proven to work, giving 4% USDT just for hodling. Men hold and get rich. Losers stay poor. Experienced dev team with big marketing budget. KYC and audit for security. Contract will be renounced at launch. Influencers and KOLs coming. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Fast Track on standby. Come join the Tate family, and we will soon take over. What color is your Bugatti? So there is a max total supply here of, that is 1 million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate, $83,984. According to their token metrics pie chart here, 25.6% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 12.4% of the tokens go to liquidity, 1.89% of the tokens go to central exchange listings, and 60% of the tokens get burnt. So if you head over to their official webpage, tateceo.com, it says money is always moving. If you get in the right place at the right time, then you're going to get some. And that is a quote from yours truly, Mr. Tate. Tateceo is a meme token on the Binance Smart Chain. The token was created by an experienced and well-connected developer team of the Binance Smart Chain to mark the pending full release of the most alpha CEO, Cobra Tate. The 29th of April marks the release of Tate from house arrest. Expect worldwide media coverage and a one-way ticket to the moon on board the Tate CEO rocket. So it says security, ultimate safety in mind for investors is why we chose to make sure we had all safety measures in place. The team has invested to put investors first. We have the following in place. Liquidity locked up for an initial 180 days, audit KYC, and zero team tokens. Click the links below to find the full report. So they have all of those available on their webpage, a KYC link, LP lock link, and a full audit. So the Tokenomics, so Tateceo, has been designed to reward diamond-handed holders with USDT rewards and a hyper-deflationary supply. Taxes are 10% buys and 10% sells. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 10% because of those taxes. Now, 4% of those 10% taxes is USDT reflection. So you get rewarded in the USDT stablecoin. Every transaction, 2% will get sent to a dead wallet, making the supply decrease constantly. So it's a deflationary token. 4% will go to the marketing to allow Tateceo to have alpha marketing. So token allocation is on here. So 60% burn, 12% liquidity, 26% presale, 2% central exchange listings. Pretty straightforward. And then they have their roadmap at the bottom of the page. So stage 1, new website and branding, social media channels, fair launch, social media marketing, launch of our official white paper, listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Stage 2, community team building, AMAs, giveaways, 20,000 Twitter followers, 20,000 Telegram group members, huge community, giveaways, massive partnership announcement. Stage 3, Tateceo swap. So they're going to have their own swap like PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange. And then listing on major exchanges, influencer marketing push, launch of merchandise, so their own merch you could buy. Further partnerships, NFT collection. They're going to drop their own Tateceo NFTs, and then further ecosystem development. They had a contact email is at the bottom of their webpage, and then you can also check out their Twitter and their Telegram. As always, I put the Twitter in the top corner of this video here, so it's real easy to find this token. But Tateceo.com is their official webpage. You can go check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.